This is the Bose F1 Model 812 Flexible Array Loudspeaker, the first powered portable loudspeaker that lets you control your vertical coverage pattern. We'll demonstrate using the optional F1 subwoofer. First, extend the speaker stand from the F1 subwoofer. It's built in so you can never lose it. Then, mount the full-range module right on top. It also mounts easily on standard tripod stands. Now you can select the coverage you want by pushing the array into place. With the array straight like this, the vertical coverage is tight and focused on the audience. A J position projects sound down to cover the audience, but not up. A reverse J position directs sound up, but not down. A C position gives you the most liberal vertical coverage. And each configuration also gives you wide horizontal coverage. When the show's over, you can break down quickly too. Take off the full-range module, secure the stand into the subwoofer, and you're done.